62 species in genus Malva. Malva, a gardener's delight. My name is Ferbvu, and I've always been drawn to the simple beauty of wildflowers. Among my favorites is the genus Malva, commonly known as mallow. These plants, with their delicate blooms and resilience, have captivated me since I first encountered them growing along a roadside. They possess a charm that, to me, surpasses even the most meticulously cultivated rose. Mallows are members of the Malvaceae family, which also includes hibiscus and cotton. They are typically herbaceous plants, meaning they lack woody stems, and can be annuals, biennials, or perennials. What unites them are their distinctive flowers, 5 petals in shades of white, pink, purple, or lavender, often with darker veins that draw the eye inward. These blooms rise above the foliage on slender stalks, creating a delicate display that softens any landscape. A diverse genus. The Malva genus boasts a diverse array of species, each with its own unique characteristics. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just a pretty face. While their aesthetic appeal is undeniable, mallows offer more than just visual delight. Historically, they have been valued for their medicinal and culinary uses. The leaves and flowers of many species are edible and contain mucilage, a substance that has soothing properties. Traditional remedies often incorporated mallow to treat coughs, sore throats, and skin irritations. Even today, mallow extracts are used in some herbal remedies and cosmetics. The young leaves can be added to salads, while the flowers make a beautiful and edible garnish. I've even used the dried flowers to brew a soothing tea with a mild, pleasant flavor. Cultivating mallows. One of the things I appreciate most about mallows is their ease of cultivation. They are generally undemanding plants that tolerate a range of soil types and growing conditions. Most prefer full sun but will tolerate some shade, and they are relatively drought-tolerant once established. Propagating mallows is also a straightforward process. They can be grown from seed, either sown directly outdoors or started indoors for earlier blooms. Some species also readily self-seed, ensuring a continuous display year after year, a symbol of resilience. For me, mallows represent resilience and adaptability. They thrive in disturbed areas, along roadsides, and in neglected corners of gardens, bringing beauty to unexpected places. Their ability to flourish in challenging conditions serves as a reminder that beauty can be found even in the most unlikely circumstances. In a world that often feels chaotic and unpredictable, the simple beauty of mallows offers a sense of peace and tranquility. They remind me to appreciate the small things, to find joy in the everyday, and to embrace the resilience of the natural world. Whether gracing a wild meadow or a cultivated garden, mallows are a testament to the enduring power of nature's beauty.